This is a crazy boy. What a beautiful windy day. I caught one brown this morning on the spinning rod. We did a little fly fishing with the spinning rod. And now I got the 8 weight and the 5 weight. And we're gonna try to catch another brown on this beautiful windy day. So let's get after it. It's real windy today. I think we're still in a wind advisory. There it is. Okay. This is a nice spot. Up, hit the water. Got him. That didn't take much. Oh, don't lose him, don't lose him. I lost it. Didn't lose it. This is a crazy boy. This is a crazy man. Got him. Look at him go. Nice little brown. Beautiful little guy. Let's get him back in the water. He swims off so nice. Beautiful fish. We're gonna make a couple more casts here. If we don't get anything, thanks for watching. Stay awesome, stay beautiful, and I hope you have a good day.